Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80240035 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection speed. Go to fast.com and check the speed there. Is it good enough? If yes, then you can move to the second solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side and scroll down to Troubleshoot in the right pane. Select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Lastly, if this does not help, then you can consider resetting Windows Update components. So we have a script for you. All you have to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Now I'll tell you what this script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and catroot2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.